Let's talk one-pot meals. Today we're making chicken divan. This recipe serves 12, takes 5 minutes to prep, and about 45 minutes total time. The ingredients you'll need are 4 cups of chicken broth, 1½ cup sour cream, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 small lemon juiced, 4 garlic cloves pressed, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1 pound of penne pasta, 1 pound of frozen broccoli, 8 ounces of cheddar cheese grated, 1 cup of panko crumbs, 2 tablespoons of butter melted, and 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper rub. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Whisk together the sour cream, mayonnaise, the broth, milk, lemon juice, garlic, and paprika in a large bowl. Add the pasta, chicken, broccoli, and 1 cup of the cheese into the enamel cast iron pan. Pour the sour cream mixture over the top and cover with foil and bake for 25 minutes. While that's cooking, combine the breadcrumbs and the butter and the rub and set aside. And just as a note, if you don't have lemon pepper rub, try lemon zest and a little bit of black pepper instead. After 25 minutes, remove the pan from the oven and uncover. Sprinkle the remaining 1 cup cheese and the breadcrumb mixture over the top. Bake uncovered for another 15 minutes until it's al dente. Let it stand for about 10 minutes before serving. Just as a note, this recipe makes really great leftovers. You can transfer them into freezer-safe containers and freeze them for up to 3 months.